we'll talk about the famous personalities. The first one is Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson was that American president during whose tenure people or the settlers started moving westwards, and you will understand what was so important about the movement towards westwards when I discuss about it in the chapter. Next we have Cyrus McCormick. Cyrus McCormick was the person who invented the first mechanical reaper. Then we have President Wilson. President Wilson was that important president of US who actually gave lot of importance to agricultural production, and his famous quote is, "Plant more wheat, wheat will win the war." Then we have Lin Yu. Lin Yu was in fact a Chinese special commissioner at Canton who tried to tell about the bad effects of opium on the Chinese people, how Chinese were getting addicted to opium and how it was responsible for making the health of the Chinese in a bad state, both mental as well as physical. Well, these were the terms and the important personalities about which we are going to talk about in the chapter, but you must know that we will be talking about three different countries, that is the cottagers of England, the wheat producers of America and the opium producers of Bengal. Well, the crops could be different, the process of production could be different, but still there are certain similarities which we are going to see, and how the problems cropped up also were similar. Besides that, we are also going to see how different regions of the world got integrated due to the world economic market. And that's a very interesting chapter which we are going to study from the next clipping.